feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
To make an international call to Dubai, dial your country's exit code, e.g., 011 for USA, Canada, 00 for Europe, followed by UAE's country code, 971, then Dubai's area code, 4, and finally the local number. The format should look like this: exit code plus 971 plus 4 plus local number. Ensure you have an international calling plan to avoid high charges, or consider using VoIP services like Skype or WhatsApp for more affordable rates.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.